Ukraine's drone army continues to take out Russian ammunition and resources whenever they can. This happens both as the ammunition has reached Russian trenches, but due to poor handling of the ammunition leaves it out in the open for Ukraine's drone army to take it out with small grenades, or before it reaches the front line while it's being transported to the front. Either way, as long as it doesn't get used against Ukraine, helps to lower Russia's capability and lower Ukraine's losses, by reducing Russia's resources and logistics wherever they can, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.